Hi, my name's Jack. I'm a first-year student on Volkswagen Group's Paint and Body Apprenticeship programme. Come and join me inside for a day in the life of a paint technician. Follow me into the workshop. Here at ITAS, we have access to state-of-the-art facilities. We have the luxury of working with Glazeret products. We also have access to things like the colour reference tools. Follow me into the mixing room. Let's go mix some paint. Simply type in the code, and here you will have a formulation for the colour of the car. We're now all geared up and in the booth, ready to paint. Now you've seen a day in the life and are interested in the Volkswagen Group Paint and Body Apprenticeship programme, you will be the right candidate for us. If you are interested, creative, have an attention for detail and really are hands-on, then we want you.